5 tips on choosing the right affiliate products to promote. You are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. With so much information available on the internet, it is hard to narrow down what is legitimate and what is trash. In this video, we will provide you with high-quality tips and tricks that may just work for you. When putting affiliate links on your blog, be transparent about the point of the links. If you hide the affiliate link, you make people suspicious about your motives. If instead you tell your readers that your link is an affiliate link, they feel positive about your honesty and may be more likely to buy from your links. Advertising with many affiliate programs that cater to your customers will allow you to succeed in the affiliate marketing industry. Working with several different sites that maintain affiliate programs within the same field provides your visitors with a broader range of links to pick from. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, evaluate the marketing platform of a potential affiliate company before you decide to advertise their products. If the quality of the company's marketing is poor, you will not be likely to receive worthwhile profits from promoting their items. If you are not impressed, your visitors will not be either. A great way to keep tabs on what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong as an affiliate is to track every single click you receive. You will be able to find out which one of your campaigns are doing well and which campaigns you have to eliminate in order to keep things streamlined and efficient. In summary, there is a lot of information on the internet to sort through and determine what is legitimate. Hopefully, you not only found this resource useful but you learned something new about affiliate marketing. With the tips that we provided and some self-motivation, you should not be far off from being an expert. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.